This video is for entertainment purposes only. Let's roll. What's going on, kings and queens? Hope that intro ages well, just like the last video. So, what do I got? I got, God, I should clean that band up. Okay. I got a Swiss Legend Sportiva. I used to call this the Holloween watch. I used to try to wear it around October-ish. And because of the orange and the black and see that, God, that's nasty. Like I say, but I say I wear this. I was wearing this watch, so that's what I get. Didn't keep it in the case. Sapphire crystal, Swiss made movement, 316L stainless steel, water resistant, 10 ATM, 330 feet, Swiss Legend Sportiva. All right, so let's get this thing open. Last one had to take the bands off. This one's no biggie, I don't think. I'm actually able to span this wrench out too. Same size of lugs. I'm having to use those small round grabbers on here. Do I need another turn? Come on, guys. Okay. Let me give another turn on this. Give it another turn. See what we got under here. Come on. Are you getting that? Is that coming in? Good. Alright. Ooh, we got a Renata 371. Yes. I'm glad for that because I have the LICB 371. Worked in the last watch, so let's look at the inside of that. It's the battery cover. China. Okay, so let's see. I'm going to break that loose there. I'm going to have to take the strut out. There's the band, or the band seal. Smell rubber. Get this back in. This should just kick right on right away. Okay, so what do we got? We got some tickage. You know how I love tickage, guys. Love it. Can't really make out what that says under there. So I'm going to button her back up. There's no gunk in there. Probably wouldn't be a bad idea to use a two-sided wrench, but I'm going to try to get this started with this little pen tool. Maybe not. Come on. Sometimes getting these things started can be a bear. There it goes. I think I got it started now. Okay, get this tightened up. Let's do a couple of turns here. Probably overdo it, but oh well. So let me get this thing cleaned up. So I got tickets, guys. There it goes. This is a cool watch. It's got a... I don't know if I actually would undo these or not. It's really nasty. It just really needs to be cleaned. Go ahead and try this on. It's been, you know, it's been a good watch. I didn't wear it that much through the years, though. I try to save it for around October. It was kind of like meant to be like my Halloween watch. I'd wear it for the month of October. A couple of years I did wear it for the month of October. I'm glad to have it back. It's actually very comfortable. That wider band, it's actually pretty much a comfortable watch. So, well, anyways, you know what they say. Don't let the haters... Yeah, anytime, that's what I meant to say. Whenever anybody's trying to hate on your favorite Halloween watch, don't worry about the haters. Let the haters worry about you. Live in their head rent-free. Okay? All right. Thanks, guys.